You've probably never seen one of these. I am standing in front of a massive, massive washing machine. This is the last wash house at scale east of the Mississippi. There's nothing else like this, and it's the reason that we purchased this factory and brought it back to life. Now, if you don't know the origin story, it all started in the woods behind my house up in the mountains of Western Maine. In 2012, some friends and I, we cut down a bunch of trees in the foothills. We had a bunch of eastern white pine timbers sawn out into logs, into timbers, and we built this little timber frame factory by hand. And we didn't have a lot. We didn't have 2 nickels to rub together or a bucket to piss in. But I had a dream, I had a vision for what manufacturing in America could look like again, and especially in Maine and New England, where this was our core value, making. And where in New England, we had always been makers. And in America, that's how we built this country, was through makers. And I just thought, like, why is everybody saying that it can't be done? Why can't we make anymore? And it wasn't that we couldn't, it was that we decided we didn't want to. We decided that there was no value in making, there was only value in consumption. And I call bullshit. I think we don't have a strong country if we don't make something. That is a core value. And from that little timber frame factory with 2 old 1940s World War II era sewing machines and a generator, we started to build and we started to make. Now fast forward 15 years, from 3 employees to 400 employees, from making 5 pairs of pants a week to making 15,000 pairs of jeans a month, to the little timber frame factory, to this 170,000 square foot facility. And quality is everything for us. We get to control that quality in our factories. We get to test and learn. We get to test the strength of materials, and no other company is doing that. No other brand is doing that. Everything that we make is 100% sourced and made in America. Who else is going to claim that? Nobody. Nobody else is going to claim that. Nobody else is going to follow us into the deep waters we are swimming. So if you don't know the origin story, that's a quick synopsis. If you're interested in learning more, visit us at originusa.com. If you would like to try our footwear and apparel, you should give us a try. I challenge you to give us a try. We won't let you down.